How to search the Bible. If you want to find a particular word or phrase in the Bible, or you're curious how many times a certain name appears, Bible in Hebrew search feature will help you tremendously. Let's see how Bettina searches the Bible.
Swipe left on the screen, or click the menu icon in the top right corner to open the search menu, found at the top of the list. At the top of the search menu, you can change the search language by choosing from the list. This feature comes in real handy for multilingual speakers. The difference between searching in whole word and within word modes is small but important. Say you want to find all instances of the word king but not kingdom. Use whole word. If you want to know all the words that contain the word king, use within word. Another difference between the two modes are that whole word will return results that say exactly where in the verse the word occurs, and within word will return the number of verses that contain that word. Click a result, and you'll instantly see the verse you've selected on the scroll. To quickly go back to the search results, find the blue search icon above or to the left of the title area, depending on your device.
As you can see, Bible in Hebrew makes it effortless and fun to search through the Bible, no matter what language. To try it out for yourself, click the link in the description to get your free trial. Please leave a comment saying what you'd like to search for in the Bible first, or ideas for what to talk about in future videos. Thank you for watching, and Shalom.